With this video, we're going to learn how to make animation to the lady's skirt using the mesh warp tool. We'll go and pick up our mesh warp tool. You notice that it puts the grid lines across our lady with the little nodes that you can move the ones on each side. Don't mess with the ones in the center because that will make the center part of your dress move and you don't want that. So let's go and move this one in, maybe move this one out, move this one in, move this one out. So we can go now and duplicate our layer. We can right click and hit duplicate, or you can notice I have an icon that I have binded a restricted script to it, and that's how I duplicate my layers. So we've got another layer, and let's move this one out, this one in, and let's move this one out, this one in. Now we need to duplicate it again. So I'll duplicate another layer. And I might add, don't make large movements with your nodes because a little bit makes a big movement when you have your finished image. And I'm going to stop working on my layers at this time. You can stop at 3 layers, or you can go to 5 layers, or have how many ever layers you want. But I like to have 5 layers. And I'm going to put her to the bottom and move this one over, and I show you that I've got 5 layers, and this is the lady image that I liked. I have done several and they never turn out the same, and this is the one I picked that I liked and I saved. So we will save as, and I'm going to save her in my pictures folder, and I'm going to name her Red Lady. And we need to go down here and check to make sure that we have Animation Shop checked so that it will open in Animation Shop, and save. Now we need to open Animation Shop, and there's a couple of ways to find her. You can go File, Open, and you can find her in this folder. But I like to use my Browse button, and there she is. So I will close that, and we'll make her a little bit smaller, pull her down a little bit, and I'll pull her out so you can see that we have 5 frames. I'll go to the first frame, make sure that it's highlighted, go up to Edit, select All, and then go back up to Animation Shop, go Frame Properties, and I'm going to change this to 25. The lower you make the number, the faster it'll work, and the higher she'll run slower, but I seem to like 25. So we'll go back up now to Edit, Copy, but I like to right click and copy, and then we need to check in the last frame. Now we need to go back up to Edit, Paste after current frame, or I like to right click, paste after current frame. And you notice, I'll move it over so we can see that those frames have popped in and they're still highlighted. So we need to go up to Animation Shop, Reverse Frames, and it reverses the frames from the first ones we had. We want it to work that way. So here she is, finished with the 10 frames. Now we're ready to save her. We'll go up to File, Save As, and when this comes up, we'll name her Red Lady, and I'm going to save her in my Pictures folder again. We hit Save, and when this comes up, hit this Customize, because you want the 3 tabs the same as I have saved them. these three things checked, and this is the most important. We need to change this to 41, and we need to make sure that this is no use the existing image color. And if you check this top one, it'll put the white color or any color that's in this box around your image, and I'll show you an example after we finish saving this. You don't have to go back and check this every time you save an image, but just check it periodically to make sure that these this hasn't changed. We'll hit OK, next, 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 and finish. And we have our finished image. And if you notice that saving with Animation Shop has dropped off one frame, and it has made frame 5 50, which is just the default setting of it. So we will check our image that I made with white saving, that top box checked, and see how awful she looks with the white around her. And I have also put her on the background that Aura made, and you can see the white around her hair and her arms and her skirt. We don't like that at all. And here is the finished image that Aura from Aura's image did with the background saved with the bottom checked. And let's check her, how she's moving. She's moving. We like the way she's moving, and Aura did a beautiful job on her tutorial. So I hope you have enjoyed learning how to use the mesh warp tool to make something animate and saving it with Animation Shop. Thank you for watching.